Let me just assume. Let me just record it. I'll drop this one there. All right. So now, so this is what we have presently. This is what we have presently. I think I was trying to correct why is this thing dropping here? Why is it not coming down? That's what I was trying to get. Video. So what did I not get right? Switch BTN. Switch. Is that? Eh? Your one is down. That one is down. Your one is down. Your one is down. The white background. This one. The pause. Check where you place your this thing, your span. Oh, I'm not sure. This is supposed to carry a class. Let me see. No class or span. BTN switch BTN. Switch. Class of the button is switch BTN. Everything is okay. Oh, this my header here is what caused it. Cut it out. Please bring your header. Your header is supposed to wrap everything, so it should come after the button. So if I save this one now, I should be fine. All right, can have my this thing here. All right, let's quickly get this done. What's not going on here now? All right, let's quickly get this done. The next thing I'm going to do here, app.js. So now let's just set our logic. So we're going to use if statement to what? To change the class. So we have talked about the switch bit here. Okay, we've not even talked about any of the class here. So, but basically, the BTN that we have here, this one that is this class, this variable that is carrying the switch BTN is all we need to talk to. Okay, then immediately this one is not there. We now need to call the class of what of the video container for it to what to play. So we want to switch it now. That means we need that class list add, class list what remove. All right. So if if it doesn't contain, if btn does not contain class lists, all right, please make sure your L is capital letter, class list. Okay, if it doesn't contain class list that contains your property, that means your class of slide. So what is this slide doing? If it doesn't contain it, let's see the properties of this slide from your styles here. Slide. See what we have, slide switch. Okay, so this one is actually to, so I'm moving it to the left or to the right. Okay, 50%, that's the left of 50%, then the right of 50%. That's what this one is doing, this slide. So if it doesn't contain this slide, if it doesn't contain this slide, I hope this thing is okay. Something not missing in my this thing. Your own, is it graded out? It's graded out, Abby. But my own is not graded out, Abby. My own is bright. Even this one safe. So alright. Target bot. Like that is after the preloader. Do you have preloader underscore item? What is going on here? Video player. Video player is after the video tag. Video container. Video container. What's the styles I have here? Sorry. Video container. Video container. Video container. Video controls. Autoplay loop. Oh, this type is a video, Abby. This type video slash mp4. Eh? No, I mean the type. Ah, no. Video slash mp4. No, it's video slash. Maybe it's mistake. Slash mp4. Video slash mp4. I think I was saying that the video and the type. Video slash mp4. All right, we'll come back to this styling. Let me just finish this what I'm doing here. If first btn or class contains, okay, you know this is if statement. I need to pass in the curly brace here. So if this contains this, what do I want to carry out? Do these particular actions. That means I want to add it. Abi, I want to add it. I'm adding from the class contains. Then I'm going to call the what, the add property. So I'm going to call btn dot class list dot add. So what am I adding? I am adding the what, the slide. If it doesn't contain it, add it. So I'm passing the slide here. Okay, so the next thing is the if it doesn't contain it, what do I want to carry out? All right, which is going to be the else. So the else statement. But before this else statement will come, let's call the video play. Video, sorry, video dot there's a method called play method and there's a method called pause method. So if this slide is not there, add it, then pause it. All right, add it, then pause it. Video pause. So this is a method. So I have to supposed to have bracket open and what and close. Video dot what dot pause method. So pause the video. I'm having error somewhere. Where's the error coming from? Huh? Are you sure? Contains if this is this. Huh? Is it this? I'm not sure is this semicolon, but btn or class lists.
I think the curly brace is supposed to be outside that bracket.
The
Curly brace.
Alright, I think the issue is coming from I've not had the event listing now. I've not had event listing now to call the btn class. That's what is bringing it. So please let me redo or let me redo all of this. That's so btn dot add event listener. So I am listening to a click event because it's button. Sorry. I'm having. Let me just round up this class, please. Let me just round up in the next 5 minutes. Because this slide is not predictable. So I'm going to be having a click event. All right. Then I'll call my callback function here. I'll pass in this callback function. Now this callback function, I'm listening to a click event because it's button. I'll pass my callback function. Now this is where I will now put my if is not, if it's not btn, dot class list, okay, dot if it's not btn dot class list dot contains, that means if it doesn't contain this class, all right, if it doesn't contain this class, which is what slide, all right, if it doesn't contain this class, which is what slide, if it doesn't contain this class, which is slide, then add it. So what do we call to add it? I have to call the btn, which is my click event, btn dot class list dot btn dot class list dot what dot add. So I'm adding. What am I adding here? I'm adding the what? This slide. All right. I'm adding this slide. I'm still having that error there, but I'll figure it out. So the video dot pause method is going to come in here now. All right. So where is this error coming out from? If btn dot class list dot contains in bracket slide, okay, you see where my error is coming from. My error is coming from the fact that I have a bracket open here, okay. I'm supposed to close these brackets. Do you get it? I'm supposed to close. You said I was supposed to close this bracket here. I have this one, this one. This one. Okay, yes, that's true. Because this is if statements. Okay, so video.what.pox, please. Okay, so then we have your what, your else, then the btn dot class list, then we are calling the words, we'll remove the word, the slide. So we'll call the remove method, then we'll pass in the words, the slide. All right, we'll pass in the words, the slide in here. Okay, so now by the time we're able to do this, so this one now, what are we calling here? We are calling video, dot what, video dot play, calling video dot what, dot play. So save it. Please let me quickly join them. So I think when you save it, try and this thing has disconnected.